Will this fix the problem? If it doesn't work, then it's definitely either a wiring issue to the hall sensor, because there's a couple of different ways that people have wired these things in, or I don't know, operator error, which, you know me, it's probably my fault. Let's just see what's gonna happen. Okay. Here we go. Please, please, please do something good. Do something good. Well, we got spark. That's good. Well, that is huge. Now, are we getting gas? Are we getting fuel?